what we got.
So I have this weird cup. I have this cup. I don't have any cups.
Check.
Snacks for me. Oh,
Cool.
Snacks. And then we got these. We got
a pencil. How we get candy in there?
We're just getting a bunch of candy, guys.
Awesome.
I'm going through my candy.
Let's see the bags. The bags look really cool.
The bags are very cool.
Can you help me open this one? Yeah, after.
Bag.
Isn't that really cute?
What is this? I got to it.
Sunglasses.
I got to it.
Cool. Let's try them on.
Did you know this is all for Halloween?
Yeah, it's
Halloween socks.
Cool. Let's try them on.
Guys, all this looks very cool. I'm still trying to get this out. Let's see if these fit me. They look a little big. We'll try them. Oh, it opens really slowly.
Cute.
It looks
amazing. Yes.
So I got mine. I got my wing right here, and I'm
Put L's on her.
this one. These are really cute. I love them.
Let's see.
Close up.
Very nice. Eli, let's see yours. Very cool.
So I have this whole thing that I'm about to show everybody.
This is a safety color, so I can close it and open it.
Yeah, it's a watercolor. And then
Yeah, it's kind of hard to open. If you can't do it, then you just can ask your grown-up.
And Arthea made this just for us. And you could buy them.
Yeah. And I got little socks.
And then
I got Spidey socks.
Cool.
what is this?
Wait, can I see?
Tic Tacs. Black Tic Tacs.
Can you eat these?
Yeah.
Most of this is just candy, guys.
Guys, this is one.
Oh, I have another one of these weird things.
Well, I have more than you.
You know, they're all the same amount. I got the same. I got a fake finger.
Yeah, I got a pink finger too. And a wing.
These gummy bears. I got Bobby. It always in the video.
I just said Bobby.
Gummy bear.
I just said Bobby. I just said zombie.
Okay, and then I got these gummy bears.
Okay.
And
So,
another of these little caramel things.
she doesn't have any socks like me.
I do.
She does.
And very.
I'm going to say thank you to Grammy and Grandpa for buying these for you. And do you know who made these awesome bags? Tia Mia. Yes, and we'll post her Instagram on here so other people can buy them. She sells really cool stuff for Halloween and all the holidays. And those are eggless just for you, Eli. She always checks ingredients.
I don't have any shirts. Oh,
That's a nice bag.
Two bags.
There.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for all our videos. Don't miss them.
don't miss them.
You'll love our videos.
You subscribe to all the videos to see some vibe.
Mommy.